Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add your Medicare card to your Apple Wallet in 2026. Now you need to understand one important thing. As of 2026, most of the countries don't support adding Medicare cards directly to the Apple Wallet. So you usually don't see an official add to Apple Wallet option when you try to add it. Now, this definitely depends on your country and the government integration. Now, many regions provide the digital Medicare cards inside the official application. So you can download the official government health application, which can be the Medicare app or MyGov or something similar. So when you log in into the official government health application, when you go to the digital cards section, you are going to get access to your Medicare card there, and this is legally accepted. You just have to basically use the app and your Medicare card is going to work digitally. Now if you still want it to be added to your Apple Wallet, what you can do is you can simply create a custom pass for it. For that, you need to take a screenshot of your Medicare card. Afterwards, you need to download the application which is called Pass to You. So over here, when you are inside, click on the plus icon that you see on the home page in the app. This is going to open this type of section in front of you. Over here, you just have to look for the option of create pass. In the generic, you will find that option. So you need to choose the ID card or the generic pass template, then upload your card image and tap on the option of add to the Apple Wallet. You can include additional information inside the pass, like you can add the card number inside back side of the card if it is needed, and you can even save the updated pass. So that's how you can add your Medicare card to the Apple Wallet in 2026. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.